Assalamu alaikum children, how are you? Today I have a new video for you and our topic is opposite words. Students, do you know what are opposites? Opposites are word pairs that are related but totally different in meaning. Now I will show you some examples of opposite words. The car is going fast. The bicycle is going slow. Slow, fast. This sum is difficult. This sum is easy. Difficult, easy. There are few members in the family. There are many members in the family. Few, many. The bird is flying above the tree. The cat is sitting below the tree. Above, below. This boy is very weak. This boy is strong. Weak, strong. The boy is standing at the top of the slide. The girl is at the bottom of the slide. Top, bottom. The dog is sitting inside the kennel. The dog is sitting outside the kennel. Inside, outside. This room is dirty. This room is clean. Dirty, clean. This is a daytime. This is a night time. We sleep at night. Day, night. This boy is young. This man is old. Young, old.